This is subtraction using two methods. Now the first method is the normal method, which is the conventional method we are used to. 40,000 taking away 35,677. Yes, here we are going to be borrowing. Here we borrow one from the first non-zero digit, which is 4. Borrow one from 4, you will have 3 left here. And bring it to this, making this 10. Borrow one from 10, this remain 9. To this place, making it 10. Borrow one from this 10, this remain 9. To this, making it 10. Borrow one from this 10, this remains 9. And making this 10. Here we have 10 take away 7, giving us 3. 9 take away 7, giving us 2. 9 take away 6, giving us 3. And 9 take away 5, giving us what? 4. And 3 take away 3, we give us 0. So there's no point writing 0. So you have 4,323 as our answer there. Now here is the second method. Now the second method requires you to take 1 away, 40,000 minus 1 from both numbers, and 35,677 taking away 1. So when you take away 1 from 40,000, definitely we have 39,999. And then when you take away from 35,677, you will definitely have 35,676. Okay, so the upper number take away the lower number. Definitely we have 9 take away 6 will give you 3. 9 take away 7 will give you 2. 9 take away 6 will give you 3. 9 take away 5 will give you 4. And 3 take away 3 will give you 0. So there's no point writing 0 here. So therefore we have 4,323 just as we had here. Okay, so which method would you prefer? This method or this method? Alright, so the second one we have 100,000 taking away 97,787. So 100,000 minus 97,787. So the conventional way of borrowing. We borrow 1 from the first non-zero digit, which is 1 here. When you take 1 away from 1, you will be left with 0. So here we have 10. Now take 1 from here, you have 9. Add it to this, becomes 10, and here becomes 9 again, 10, 9, 10, 9, and finally 10. Hope you understand what I did here. Borrowing from here to this, to this, to this, to this, to this, and finally we have 10 here. The reason why we are borrowing that this is making it 10 is because we are dealing with base 10 digits. We are dealing with base 10. Okay, so that's why when you borrow 1 to 0 to give you 10, and when you borrow 1 to maybe 5, it gives you 15. Okay, so here we have 10 take away 7, we give you 3. 9 take away 8, we give you 1. 9 take away 7, we give you 2. 9 take away 7, we also give you 2. And 9 take away 9 gives you 0. So we are left with 2,213. Alright, so the second method requires you to borrow 1 once and for all. Okay, so 100,000 taking away 1 will be left with 99,999. And then the second number, which is 97,787, taking away 1 from it, you will be left with 97,786. So subtract this from this. 9 take away 6 will give you 3. 9 take away 8 will give you 1. 9 take away 7 will give you 2. And 9 take away 7 will give you 2. 9 take away 9 will give you 0, which is also means nothing. So we are left with 2,213. So that is method. Do you prefer the borrowing method, or just borrow 1 once and for all, and then taking away 1 from both numbers once and for all, and then you settle the borrowing? Alright, so whichever method that suits you, so apply that to whenever you are dealing with such numbers like this, as far as subtraction is concerned. So till I come your way next time, please do this. Thank you.